Belkin's Thunderbolt Dock Pro adds 6 USB ports to your laptop, also an SD card reader, Gigabit Ethernet jack, a stereo audio jack, and dual 4K monitor capability. Plus, it charges your laptop. With a Dock Pro at home or in your office, it converts your laptop to a versatile, powerful desktop. This dock works straight out of the box, plug and play, without any drivers or additional software. Use the supplied Thunderbolt cable to connect your laptop to the dock, and everything else you need gets connected automatically. Hello, my name is Ron Z. This is an unboxing and review of a Belkin Thunderbolt-3 Dock Pro F4U097, which I received free from Belkin to evaluate. For me, it's the near-perfect dock, a true one-cable solution that connects most everything at phenomenal transfer rates. Using this one-cable dock is much better than having to mess with repeatedly connecting and disconnecting dongles and wires going everywhere. This dock is designed around Intel's Titan Ridge Thunderbolt 3 chipset and controller. It's Intel certified to deliver top speeds, pixels, and power. The dock is compatible with Windows 8, Windows 10, and MacBooks running macOS 10.12 Sierra or later. For MacBook owners, this dock is an indispensable convenience. Just a one-wire connection from your Windows laptop or MacBook to Belkin's Thunderbolt 3 Dock Pro is required. The dock will charge your computer without you needing to use the computer's own power charger. It provides 85 watts of upstream charging. Your computer plugs into the rear Thunderbolt 3 port, located next to the power jack. It's labeled with computer and Thunderbolt icons. With that one wire, the dock powers and charges your laptop. Add 6 USB ports, an SD card reader, a Gigabit Ethernet jack, a stereo audio jack, an HD display port, and a Thunderbolt port. Now your laptop can have dual 4K monitors, access to external SSD or HD storage, and can connect to additional USB devices like a mouse, keyboard, and flash drives. A mouse or keyboard connected through the dock can wake up the laptop. Data transfer between the dock and laptop is at rates up to 40 gigabits per second. The dock allocates how this 40 gigabits per second is shared for optimal performance and compatibility. The dock and your laptop need to be directly connected without an intermediary USB-C hub. The dock supports dual 4K monitors at 60 Hz or a single 5K monitor at 60 Hz. For dual displays, the first monitor plugs into the dock's display port. If an HDMI connection is needed, use an inexpensive passive display port to HDMI cable. The second monitor connects to the dock's rear Thunderbolt 3 peripheral port. The dock lets you mirror monitors or have screens extended, different things on each display. That rear Thunderbolt 3 port supports USB-C and Thunderbolt monitors. Note that the front USB-C port does not support video output. Suppose you have several different laptops, a Mac Air and a Dell Windows 10 laptop. With this Belkin dock, both laptops can share a desk full of peripherals without ever having to switch all the individual cables each time. That's a great convenience. Belkin's Thunderbolt 3 Dock Pro is compact, attractive, and looks like a premium product. The exterior is durable aluminum. Color is matte silver. Size is 7.8 by 3.1 inches. Height is 1 inch. Weight is 15 ounces. 4 rubber feet on the bottom prevent it from sliding around. The included detachable heavy-duty Thunderbolt cable is 2.6 feet long. printed documentation in the box consisted of a one-page quick start guide port diagram and regulatory FCC information. On Belkin's website, you'll find a detailed F4U097 FAQ and additional Thunderbolt information. Ports on the dock's front panel are one USB-A 3.1 and one USB-C 3.1 Gen 2. Both of these USB ports have a data transfer rate of 10 gigabits per second. A full-size UHS-2 SD card reader supports SD, SDHC, and SDXC cards with ultra-high-speed 2 data transfers up to 312 megabytes per second. The 3.5 TRRS audio input-output jack is for a mono microphone and stereo speakers. When the dock is in use, the laptop's audio jack is disabled because the dock's audio circuitry takes over sound processing. That's how the docks I've used work. Lastly, there is a 2-color indicator light on the left side of the front faceplate. Green indicates computer detection. Orange means the computer was not detected. The dock's back panel has a Thunderbolt 3 port which connects to the computer. Another Thunderbolt 3 port for use with a monitor or peripherals, a display port for a monitor, a Gigabit Ethernet jack, and 4 USB-A 3 ports, which can accommodate a mouse, keyboard, printers, or external storage. The 4 USB-A ports transfer data at 5 gigabits per second. The Gigabit Ethernet jack supports networking speeds of 10, 100, 1,000 megabits per second. An external GPU plugged into the dock's Thunderbolt 3 port will use some of the dock's 40 gigabit per second data bandwidth. The Dock Pro only supports one computer at a time. These docks cannot be connected together, but up to 5 Thunderbolt 3 devices can be daisy-chained from the dock. The dock's working temperature range is 41 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The dock can do double duty as a power hub, charging smartphones and tablets. Your laptop and several smartphones can be charged simultaneously. All the dock's USB ports are rated for 5 volts, 1.5 amps, or 7.5 watts. They are not for device fast charging. For full functionality, use a laptop with a Thunderbolt 3 port. This dock can also be used with some computers that have non-Thunderbolt USB-C ports. Check whether your laptop specs indicate the USB-C port has dock functionality, that it can be powered through a USB-C port, and that your laptop supports video output via USB-C. Of course, for the full 40 gigabit per second data speed, a Thunderbolt 3 connection is required. Some USB-C Gen 1 and 2 ports on non-Thunderbolt laptops work. Check that your laptop's USB-C port supports DisplayPort alternate mode and USB power delivery. Not all USB-C ports support the full functionality of the USB Type-C standard DisplayPort over alt mode. DisplayPort over alt mode allows a USB-C equipped computer to connect directly to a display or monitor. The monitor needs a USB-C port for you to make this connection. The Dock Pro is not compatible with Thunderbolt 2 computers. An AC power supply adapter is included. The power adapter is 6 by 2 7/8 inches. Height is 1 inch. 4 rubber feet are on the bottom. Including the permanently charged cable, weight is 1 1/4 pounds, which is heavier than the dock itself. A grounded 3-foot AC power cable plugs into the adapter. A permanently attached 5-foot cable attaches the power adapter to the dock. These long cable lengths make it easy to neatly arrange the dock and wiring in your work area and facilitate access to an electrical outlet. Power adapter input is 100 to 240 volts AC, 50 to 60 Hz. Suitable for the USA and elsewhere where 115 volts AC at 60 Hz is standard. This power adapter also works in regions supporting 230 volts AC at 50 Hz. Output is 5 volts DC at 8.5 amps. The maximum output power is 170 watts. Up to 85 watts goes to the connected laptop through a barrel plug center pin positive. The adapter must be powering the dock for all of the dock's features to be operational. The first time the Belkin Thunderbolt dock is connected to your Windows computer, a window pops up with a "New Thunderbolt devices have been attached" message, indicating that the computer has detected the dock is attached. Clicking OK grants permission for the dock to connect to your computer. Next, an Approve Thunderbolt Devices window appears. Set the drop-down message to Always Connect for the Belkin dock to avoid having to repeat this step each time the dock is connected. If you don't recall these pop-up windows ever occurring, open up the Thunderbolt Control Center and check that Always Connect is set for the Belkin dock. At the time this review was written, Amazon's price for Belkin's Thunderbolt-3 Dock Pro was $296. Over time, price has fluctuated between $236 and $297. The Belkin Dock Pro is an effective solution that works. In terms of reliability, display and peripheral connections never drop. This dock provides rock-solid, stable connectivity. Belkin technical support is available by phone, email, live chat, Twitter, and community forums. The toll-free number for Thunderbolt support is 800-223-5546. Technical support is also available by email, belkincares@belkin.com. Interactive chat is on Belkin's website, belkin.com. Post issues to Twitter. Tweet at Belkin Cares. Community forums are at community.belkin.com. Check out the Belkin website for lots of helpful documentation. The Thunderbolt 3 Dock Pro is backed by a 2-year Belkin warranty. In the USA, the dock is FCC certified. It meets California's Proposition 65 specs and complies with the European Union's restriction of hazardous substances. Belkin is known for making quality electronics. They are a reputable name brand and have been around for a long time. Belkin International Incorporated, an American manufacturer of consumer electronics, is headquartered in California. Belkin was founded in 1983. Belkin International is the parent company for Belkin and Linksys branded products. I hope you found my presentation enjoyable and helpful. Channel subscribers will receive notifications as new Belkin Best Value product reviews are posted. Goodbye for now and good luck.